So I'm in my kitchen, I'm preparing some dinner, and we're going to have meatball subs. And there are a couple of tricks that I just wanted to tell you for my meatballs. First of all, I use 80-20 meat. That means it's 80% beef and 20% pork. I also hand mix that with about a half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs and 1 beaten egg. And then I form it into balls, fairly decent size, and then I lightly fry it in some olive oil just to brown the outside. What I do is I let it cook inside of the tomato sauce. Now, the tomato sauce is another story. I make tomato sauce with just a can of crushed tomatoes. I use a half a can of tomato paste, and then I proceed with some additives like I add some salt, I add some Italian seasoning, I use some onion flakes, and I use some garlic powder. And my secret is to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and a quarter to a half a cup of beef broth. And when you mix that all together and you let it simmer, it comes out delicious. Again, you have to let it simmer for at least an hour, so you don't have that bitterness inside of the sauce. Otherwise, you're going to think you need to add sugar. Sugar is a bad idea. Don't add sugar. And I add I add all the meatballs to the tomato sauce when they're just browned, and I allow them to cook the remaining way inside of the sauce. It also flavors the sauce good. When we're done, we're just going to put them on some bread, and I'm going to add some sauce, mozzarella cheese, and broil it under the broiler, and we're going to have delicious meatball subs.
Ba ba da ba 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 ba.